Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. Today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fade audio in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you don't have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments that you can want to play. You can find the audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started getting the fade effect for our track. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the edit menu, the recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments right here. It works the same. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder and it's going to open up the recording menu right here. You can get started recording your tracks, and I'm going to open up the mixing mode in the upper left corner by clicking the button. That's going to bring me to this option right here where you can find all the tracks that I have that I can now add the fading effect to. So guys, what you want to do to get your desired fading effect is to play around with the options that we have right here. So as you can see, by clicking the sliders option, it's going to open up the track settings right here where you can get started adding all the instruments and options that you want. So as you can see, you have your track volume. So what you can do is go ahead and make the track volume lower, or you can go into track settings and find all the settings that you need. You can go ahead and play around with the plugins and equalizer to get your desired effect. Open up plugins and equalizer where you can find noise gate and so on. But what you can also do is use the FX option. So using the FX option, you can go ahead and get started with adding filters. You can manage where it sounds louder, where it sounds lesser, and so on, so that you can go ahead and get your desired effects. So you want to go ahead and play around with all the effects that you have and use the sliders option to get your desired fading effect and get it put it into your track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.